Take time to review the full Standard 1, Visionary Leadership, using resources from ISTE and Fairfax County Public Schools. Note that the standard includes 4 components. The analysis by Fairfax County further breaks these 4 components down into literacies coaches may possess to demonstrate competency in the standard. Consider how the standard impacts the SBIT's role and grounds your work in the vision of the school and larger division. Whether you are currently an SBIT or are considering becoming one, consider how you currently support and communicate vision, and whether you need any additional information to do so more fully. Who else at your building or within the district might you reach out to learn more about strategic planning and managing change? What role can you play in change efforts that support your school and the division's vision for effective technology integration? Download the accompanying goal-setting handout and use it to create your own goals for this module. What do you need to know or be able to do to successfully meet those goals? Consider reasonable action steps to help you meet your goals and determine how you will know you have successfully met your goal. The following section introduces resources and some suggested activities you can use to address communicating shared vision, engaging in strategic planning, and supporting transformational change. You may want to review these before finalizing your goals. You don't need to review every resource or complete all of the suggested activities. However, an intentional approach to which resources will help you reach your goals and be successful is recommended. In some instances, you may need to seek out resources beyond those provided here. Learning is meant to be social. Feel free to engage colleagues as thought partners as you wish.